Everyone's talking about ChatGPT-5 like it's some magical money-making machine. But here is the brutal truth. 99% of people are using it completely wrong. They are asking it to write emails and create social media posts, while smart entrepreneurs are using it to build six-figure businesses. I'm going to show you exactly what you are doing wrong and the right way to use ChatGPT-5 that could change your financial future forever. But first, the fifth mistake I'm going to review is so controversial, some marketers hate me for sharing it because it's putting them out of business. As a digital marketing executive with over 15 years of experience and PMP certification, I have had the privilege of working with Fortune 500 companies and scaling marketing operations that generate millions in revenue. Through my digital marketing company, AutiMark, I have seen firsthand what happens when businesses embrace AI the right way versus those who completely miss the mark. What I am seeing with ChatGPT-5 right now reminds me of the early days of digital marketing. There is a massive opportunity, but most people are completely missing it. Today, I'm going to break down the 5 biggest mistakes everyone's making. And I warn you now, mistake number 3 cost one of my clients $100,000 before he caught it. Here is what I see everywhere. People open ChatGPT-5 and ask it basic questions like, how do I start a business? Or write me a LinkedIn post about productivity. That is like buying a Ferrari and using it to get to the grocery store. That's wrong. The right way, use ChatGPT-5's agent mode to build complete business system. Let me show you exactly what this looks like. Last week, I had it create an entire lead generation system for one of my clients. It researched our target market, identified 200 qualified prospects, wrote personalized outreach sequences, and even created follow-up workflows. This took ChatGPT-5 about 30 minutes. It would have taken my team 3 weeks and cost the client $15,000 in labor. The lesson: stop asking ChatGPT-5 questions. Start giving it projects. But here is where most people make their second mistake, and this one costing them thousands in missed opportunities. Most people treat every ChatGPT conversations like they are talking to a stranger. They explain their business from scratch every single time. Stop! Before I show you the right way, let me ask you something. How many times have you explained your business to ChatGPT this week? How many? Can you tell me? Comment below with your number. I bet it's more than you think. The right way: create custom GPTs trained on your specific business. Here is what I did for one of my Fortune 500 clients at AutiMark. I fed ChatGPT-5 everything about their business, their sales process, customer data, marketing strategies, even transcripts from their best sales calls. Now, when I ask it to create a campaign, it doesn't give me generic copy. It writes it in their brand voice, targets their specific audience, and includes the exact messaging frameworks that convert for their industry. The results. Do you want to know the results? Campaign conversion rates went up 40% because the AI actually understands their business better than most agencies. But mistake number 3 is where things get expensive, and I mean really expensive. Yes. I watch people copying and paste from ChatGPT into their email, then into their CRM, then into their calendar. It's painful to watch. Yes, here is the story that changed everything for me. I had a client who was manually copying ChatGPT responses into 15 different systems every day. They were spending 4 hours on tasks that should take 10 minutes. That is $100,000 in wasted labor costs per year. The right way: connect ChatGPT-5 to your entire business ecosystem with the new Google connectors. ChatGPT-5 can access your Gmail, your calendar, your Google Drive. It can read your emails, schedule your meetings, and even respond to customers automatically. But here is where it gets crazy. I connected it to marketing automation platforms like Zapier. Now, when someone fills out a form on a client's website, ChatGPT-5 automatically qualifies them, books a call, send them a personalized video, and adds them to the right email sequence. The entire sales process runs itself. My clients are literally making money while they are sleeping because their marketing system never stopped working. Now, if you think that is impressive, wait until you see mistake number 4. This is where the real money gets made. Most people use ChatGPT-5 to save time. That is thinking small. Smart marketers use it to make money the right way. Build AI-powered structured revenue streams. Here is a real example that will blow your mind. One of my clients used ChatGPT-5 to create a complete digital course in 48 hours. The AI researched the market, outlined the curriculum, wrote the content, created the sales page, and even built the email marketing sequence. Result: $50,000 in sales in the first month. Another client built an AI automation service. ChatGPT-5 handles the client consultations, creates the automation workflows, and even manages the implementations. They are doing $25,000 per month with minimal overhead. The key insight: don't use AI to do your work faster. Use AI to do work that makes you money while you are not working. But now, we get to the big one. Mistake number 5. This is the one that separates six-figure earners from everyone else. Wow. Here is what some marketers don't want you to know. The biggest mistake I see is people using ChatGPT-5 like an assistant instead of like a strategic partner. The wrong way: ChatGPT, write me a social media post. The right way: ChatGPT, analyze my marketing funnel, identify the biggest conversion bottleneck, research theory optimization strategies, and create an implementation plan with timeline and success metrics. See the difference? One treats AI like a tool, the other treats it like your head of marketing strategy. This technique is so powerful. I have had competitors try to poach my team just to learn how we do it. I literally have ChatGPT-5 analyze marketing performance every week for AutiMark clients. It reviews campaign metrics, identifies problems I don't even know existed, and suggests optimizations that have generated millions in additional revenue. Last month, it identified that 40% of leads were dropping off at a specific point in the funnel. It suggested 3 fixes. I implemented them, and revenue went up 25% that month. Pause this video right now and think about this. What would a 25% increase mean for your business? So, here is my framework for using ChatGPT-5 the right way. I call it the CMO method. C. Connect everything like ChatGPT-5 to all your marketing systems, email platform, CRM analytics, everything. Make it your marketing command center. M. Make it your marketing expert. Feed it your campaign data, customer insight, successful strategies. Make it an expert on your specific market. O. Optimize for revenue. Don't just save time. Use it to build systems that generate money around the clock. Let me give you your homework. Here is your homework, and I want you to actually do this. Pick one revenue generating process in your marketing. Maybe it's lead generation. Maybe it's content creation. Maybe it's customer nurturing. Give ChatGPT-5 that entire process and let it optimize it. I guarantee you will see results within 30 days. And if you don't, comment below and I personally help you figure out what went wrong. But here is what most people won't tell you about implementing this. The uncomfortable truth is this: the AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. And right now, there's massive gap between marketers who get it and those who don't. The marketers who get it are building AI power systems that generate wealth while they live their lives. The ones who don't are still manually doing everything the hard way. I make these exact mistakes for the first 6 months of using AI. It kept me stuck, frustrated, and honestly, a little embarrassed that I wasn't seeing the results everyone else was talking about. You have a choice, right? You can keep using ChatGPT-5 like everyone else, asking it basic questions and getting basic results, or you can start using it like the smart money does as your AI power marketing partner that works 24/7 to grow your revenue. The window of opportunity won't stay open forever. Every day you wait, your competition gets further ahead. If you want to learn the complete system for building an AI power marketing machine that runs itself, I have created a free masterclass that breaks down everything step by step, and I show you the exact tools I use, the specific prompts that generate revenue, and the marketing strategies that are working right now in 2025. The link is in the description below. This masterclass has helped thousands of marketers and entrepreneurs build 6 and 7-figure business using AI. And here is my promise to you: if you implement just one technique from that masterclass, you will see measurable results within 30 days. Comment ready below if you are committed to making this change, and I personally respond with a bonus tip that is not in the masterclass. Until next one, stop working harder and start working smarter. The future belongs to the directors and not the doers. I am Richard, and this is AutiMark.